Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the ultimate 2025 guide on how to remove collaborators from your Google Drive files and folders. Whether you're managing team projects or just want to clean up access to your personal files, this tutorial will make it quick and simple. Stick around because I'll also share a couple of tips to avoid common mistakes. Open Google Drive first. Open your Google Drive on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the file or folder you want to manage. Remember, only the owner or users with full access can remove collaborators. Locate the file or folder next. Find the file or folder you want to update. You can search for it using the search bar or browse through your Drive folders. Once you locate it, right-click the file and select Share. This will open the sharing settings. View collaborators. In the sharing window, you'll see a list of everyone who has access. You'll notice different permission levels like viewer, commenter, or editor. It's important to check this carefully because removing someone will immediately revoke their access. Remove collaborators. To remove a collaborator, click the drop-down menu next to their name, then select Remove. Google Drive will ask you to confirm the removal. Click Save or Done to finalize it. That's it. The person no longer has access to your file or folder. Check permissions. After removing collaborators, it's a good idea to double-check the sharing settings. Make sure only the people you want have access. You can also update permissions for remaining collaborators if needed. And that's how you remove collaborators from Google Drive in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with anyone struggling with Google Drive permissions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.